So in this video I will guide you how you can transfer Bitcoin from Kraken to some other wallet. So first of all, what you need to do is to simply click on this withdraw button. Now after clicking on the withdraw, you just gonna need to click on the Bitcoin that you have in your account. Now in order to get the deposit address of that particular exchange platform, what you need to do is to simply click on the deposit and click on deposit crypto. Now what you need to do is to simply make sure to select Bitcoin, and then you're going to need to select the same network that you are going to select on the Kraken website. Now after selecting the same network, you're just going to need to enter the deposit address in the given box that is going to be on the withdraw page. So you just need to copy the address and then paste it right in there. Then you're gonna need to confirm the transaction, and this will gonna arrive within the given time of the chosen network or the network that you have choose on the time of selecting network. So hope this help. This is how you can transfer Bitcoin balance from Kraken to a different wallet.